If you sell your car and you don't want the next owner to know where you have been with the car, or you simply take the car somewhere and you don't want that somebody know where you have been, well, you just go in Setup and you go down to Delete Destination Memory. You hit that button, and here you can delete all destination or simply the last destination by pressing directly on the button on the screen or with the button just down here. If you want to cancel, you press on return.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!